In this video, we'll talk about how to set up your menu items in Supermenu. From the main screen, we're going to click on All Setup. Then we'll go to Menu Setup, and then Menu Category Setup. This will show us all of our categories. We're going to select the category that we want to add items to and click the Items button. So under Sub Sandwiches, we'll click Items. And this will give us a list of all of the items that we have. Currently there's none here. We'll add a couple out. The prices are under the price column. We'll set the turkey sub to $4.99 and the ham to $5.99. Once we have our items and prices set up, we're going to come down to the bottom, hit the display button. This will take us to the screen that shows us how the items are going to display on the order entry screen. We can click these items similar to the category setup one at a time and move them to the position that we want them in. Down at the bottom, we can hit the Save All in Alphabetical Order button, and that will move these all over and put them in alphabetical order. If we hit the Save All in Natural Order button, it'll move these all over in the order that you typed them in on the previous screen. I'll just move them over in alphabetical order, and it moves them all over. The color works the same way as it did in the category setup. If you want to set specific colors, you can certainly select the color for the item. If you don't select any colors for your items, the colors will default to the color of the category. Number of columns and rows. This allows you to set how many items you're actually going to have on the page. Supermenu defaults to a number of columns of 6 and will automatically create what it thinks is the correct amount of items to fit on the page. You can certainly change this around by changing the columns and rows, allowing you to enter as many items as you can get in within these grids that you set up. If I set this back. Once we've got all of our items set up in here, we'll hit close. Hit close again. Close to get out of the category screen. I'm going to refresh the menu. And then to test this, we'll go into any of the order entry screens. Under our category sub sandwich, we now have our 2 items in here. If we just click on one, we'll see the ham sandwich comes up $5.99 and the turkey sandwich comes up at $4.99. For further information videos on how to set up your menu items, visit our website at bankcardpos.com.